Guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. This is a iPhone 6 and you can see charger broken inside and another charger is not going inside. It's a problem. It's broken part inside. See how can you remove? You can see guys, it's easily remove.
شكرا حبيبي.
One. You can see now it's charging. So, guys, you can see it's charging now. So please guys, like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. If your iPhone jack is broken inside like this, just remove by anything look like this or look like safety pin. You can remove it easily. Thank you.